Okay, so we have a new facial. It is the glass facial because it gives you the most illuminating, glowing look to your skin. Not only does it do the glow look that everybody wants, the glass skin, it also makes the jawline look extremely refined. You'll notice how everybody in the before and after photos has a jawline that is now more sculpted and refined. And then you'll also notice in all the before and after photos, if you're receiving this video in an email, is everybody's cheeks look really lifted. So you're noticing the lifted cheeks, you're noticing the refined, snatched jawline, and then that beautiful glass look. Now, what exactly is the glass facial? It's Poly L-Lactic Acid. So it comes in this vial right here, and it is painted on the surface of the skin. It is then applied a mask. Now this mask is sectioned off. So I do the forehead, I do the under eyes, which goes to the eyelash bed, the entire face, the nose, the lip, the jawline, and actually includes the neck. So I know that is a big concern that everybody has. For myself, what I've seen is just like the photos, my jawline looks extremely refined. You can see how my skin looks very, very radiant. Now I did this a week ago. The eyes look amazing. Like, I will be honest with you, I don't have any concealer on, I don't have any eye cream on, and I don't have any Botox. I probably haven't done Botox since maybe the beginning of the year. I'll also notice that everybody's forehead looks really, really nice and elevated. So it starts off with the application. Like I said, the application will sit on the surface of the skin for 30 minutes. Immediately after the application, I'm going to mist you with a stem cell mist. You'll feel the mask tighten even more, and you'll feel the mask tighten even more when I start doing the red light. Following the red light, you're gonna enjoy a hand, foot, neck, and shoulder massage. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't enjoy the hand or the foot, we will make it work for whatever. But I think that one of the things that I love most about this facial is that not only are we delivering exceptional results, you also get to relax. So part of my Black Friday sale is this one time you can purchase this as a gift certificate. So instead of it being a month promo, this can be something that you can take advantage 6 months from now. So this is a must-have before a wedding, an engagement, New Year's Eve, Christmas, anything, or if you just want your skin to look the best it possibly can look. So I absolutely love the results. I'm doing another one on myself this weekend. Once I hit my 2-week period, they can be done in 2-week intervals. So if you have any questions, just hit reply to this email. I'm happy to help you out. I love the results. As I said, once you purchase it, I will send you a physical gift certificate so that you can give this to a loved one, or you can just hang on to it for yourself for when you want to treat yourself to the glass facial. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, let me know. Have a happy holiday.